Hi, Pinky friends! Join me as we draw and color S super yummy and fun, a watermelon popsicle. Get ready to draw with me, and let's make the coolest popsicle ever. It's sweet, colorful, and perfect for a sunny day. Watermelon popsicles are not just tasty, they're also a great way to cool down on a hot summer day. Did you know watermelon is made up of 92% water? That's why it's so refreshing. Watermelon is actually a type of berry, a giant one. The red part of a watermelon is sweet, but the green rind is often used to make pickles. Did you know that the popsicle was actually invented by accident? A boy left his soda outside overnight with a stick in it. The next day, it was frozen. If you had fun, please give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell button so we can keep making awesome art together. Look at that! The eyes of watermelon are now opened.
Hello, Pinky, and to every one of you.
So nice! Our watermelon popsicle is all drawn. It's time to make it pop with some colors. Take out your markers or crayons and let's get coloring.
Hey Pinky, I'm so excited! Are you ready to add some color to me?
Yes, I am. Did you like how we drew your outline?
Oh! I love it!
Do you think of your watermelon seeds?
Seeds make me look even more real.
Watermelons come in different shapes, round or oval, but popsicles are often shaped like triangles or rectangles. There are over 1,200 varieties of watermelon in the world. Can you imagine a popsicle with all those different flavors?
Are you all having fun drawing me?
I bet they are. Watermelons grow on vines and need lots of sunshine. Just like a popsicle is perfect for sunny days. Watermelon popsicles can be made at home with just watermelon, a blender, and a freezer, so easy and fun.
Do you like how my juicy red color is coming to life?
Yes, it looks so sweet. What about the green rind? What do you think, everyone?
I think it's perfect.
Perfect! That looks so yummy!
Indeed! I look so cool and refreshed.
We all did an amazing job drawing and coloring our watermelon popsicle. Doesn't it look like the perfect treat for a sunny day? I really appreciate you drawing with me today. See you next time, Pinky Artists.